Today, Fairfax County Consumer Affairs, in conjunction with the police department, offered a live chat with consumers in Fairfax County regarding issues pertaining to holiday shopping. Consumers could write in and generate whatever questions they had, and we would answer them.
We're just trying to let citizens know that it's okay to shop during Black Friday. The paranoia is obviously with the number of credit card thefts during the holiday season. Have a plan. Don't carry multiple credit cards with you. Don't carry your Social Security card with you.
The online market is just very common. You can, and it saves a lot of people from having to go out shopping in the malls, having to deal with the crowds. They can just go online. You've got to be aware to make sure you're shopping with a reputable company. A lot of times, if you type the wrong company, say in Google, in a search engine like Google, it might redirect you to a company that has a similar name but could be a scam. As long as the consumer lives in Fairfax County, if they made a transaction purchase online, they can file a complaint with our agency. We provide mediation services, so we can try to mediate the complaint to resolution.